Hey there, how are you? Let's start. We already know that there's almost nothing good in eating fast food. But still, when you have busy and exhausting day, eating fast can save you both time and money. Sometimes you can be that tired so you can't even think about going to the grocery shop and cooking dinner yourself. Eating at fast food restaurants may seem not the best idea, especially if you rely on small loans to make ends meet. However, there are great ways to save money on fast food. With these tips, you'll never be hungry and your budget will be in order. Benefit from coupons. When reading a newspaper, pay attention if there are coupons you can use. You can use special sites where you can get coupons for different restaurants. Subscribe to your favorite restaurants and get notifications to your email, then you will know when they have special offers, happy hours and other discounts. Remember that there's a huge competition between fast food providers, so they do their best to offer consumers more for less money. Choose water instead of soda. Maybe you're not a big fan of drinking water, but first of all, it's really good for your health. Eating fast food is unhealthy itself, so while drinking soda you add hundreds of extra calories to your meal. Also, soda is more expensive than regular water, so when you buy it, you pay for all these empty calories which will bring you nothing good. Remember about it also when you are in a grocery shop, and use these 20 smart ways to save money on food. Know where to pay less for kids. Many places offer special prices for kids. In some restaurants kids can even eat for free, while in other places you may pay 50% less than for your adult order. However, to benefit from this tip you should know the specificity of such discounts. Some places do special hours while others do special days when kids can eat free or with a good discount. You may check Money Savings Moms Roundup to see the list of the restaurants, but don't forget to call ahead to the one in your area because conditions may vary by states. Check your receipts. What you usually do with your receipts from restaurants? Most likely, you just throw them away. Don't do this mistake again and check your receipts for special offers. They can put a special offer notification in the end of the receipt, so when you come next time, you may take an advantage of a free meal or some other good discount. Quite often you can be offered to buy one and get another one for free. Split your food. When you're hungry, you may think that you can eat all the food in the world, but don't hurry to make a huge order. Be realistic about how much you need to make your stomach full. For example, do you always finish your big box of fried potatoes? Most likely, you don't. There's food you can easily eat yourself, but also there's something you can share with your kids, friends. Stay frugal and don't buy more than you actually can eat. Save ketchup, sauce packets. With your order you always get napkins, salt, pepper, ketchup and sauce packets. Instead of throwing them out, save them. You never know when you'll need one at home or at work while eating your lunch. Napkins are something that can always become in handy, so use which you have from the restaurant instead of buying a package of new ones. Have a nice day. Keep calm and work hard. Thanks for watching.